Welcome back, guys. This is Jordan over at Hudson Autoworks here in Greensboro, North Carolina, giving you another walk around of one of our car lot cars we have out here today. We just got this thing on the lot today. I'm going to say 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This thing's in really good condition. Went ahead and got all your maintenance done. We went ahead and put brand new tires and wheels on it. Give it a nice off-road look. And it really matches with that pinstripe going down the side and those step rails. But the exterior of this truck is in super good condition. Next we'll go ahead and check out what the interior looks like. So this truck has all black interior. You got your power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. The seats are cloth and manual. But let's go ahead and take a step up in this thing and see what we got. Go ahead and crank it. So everything checks out. Like I said, this truck does have 99,000 miles on it. Just go over a couple of the options with you. This truck is equipped with Bluetooth. It's got Bluetooth right here on your right side of your steering wheel, and your cruise control options all on this side. All your AC and radio options are all up here. It's got a little auxiliary port sitting right here if you like to hook up your phone, listen to your own music. This truck has the flip-up bench, so you can get a third seat up here if you need to, or you can keep it down for a nice armrest, and it's got 3 cup holders right here. A little bit of storage space down in here. And it's got 2 additional cup holders right over here on the left side. So everything checks out up here. We're going to go ahead and head to the back seat. So this truck does have some additional cup holders that you can pull down right here. It's also got 2 that you can flip up and down right below here. These seats do flip up. All you gotta do is just pull them up, and there we have it. You got some additional storage space or anything that you don't want getting wet in your truck. Got a little first aid kit right down here. Check out this bed. So this truck does have a spray-in bed liner. Really good for protecting it, preventing rust, and just keeping it in good condition. Got your hitch receiver right here and a spare tire right in there. Go ahead and flip this one up, make sure everything works. Got 2 more cup holders down here in your passenger side door. Little dual glove box for some extra storage. It's got all your original manuals sitting right in here for the truck. Super clean interior. Next, let's go ahead and pop open the hood and check out what we got under there. So the engine bay for this truck was just freshly detailed. Looks really good under here. All your fluids are topped off, and we've got a 5.3 Vortex sitting right here in the middle. Awesome motor, almost indestructible, lasts forever. I love these trucks. But this is our 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Crew Cab. If you have any questions or want to check the availability on this truck, just give us a call. If there's something you think you might be interested in, just click the link below. Thank you guys.